is your goal for today? All right, so okay. So for me, my goal is walking away. That's goal number one for today. Nah, I get you. I get you. Um, I mean that's how it is. That's how it's supposed to be. One day at a time. It's my learning P&L. So, uh, so let's take a look at Dixie on a daily. Still working within his inverse fair value gap on Dixie. On Dixie on Nasdaq. Yeah, it came down to this bullish shorter block, which we had. Um, you talking about this? Okay. So I'm looking at Dixie. Dixie still within this fair value gap, also within this range here. I don't know, maybe he wants to try this optical trade entry again, respecting this daily bullish shorter block and move up again. I don't know. Yeah, body's respecting this fair value gap here and discount, bullish shorter block right here, as well as respecting this inverse fair value gap here. And now it's just moving within this range down here. Okay. All right. Um, and then we have this wake up, which is bearish for the block, and now it's coming back down. So looks like Dixie wants to take a break and come down into discount. With that being the case, then we should expect our indexes to want to seek higher draws on liquidity in a premium. Um, I like how ES came to this fair value gap here, respected it this morning, and now it's coming for these relative equal highs up here, and potentially this these highs up here as well. Um, Looking at Nasdaq, we come to this bullish shorter block here, still fighting our way in this daily change instead of delivery, coming for these relative equal highs up here. Okay. I'm trading out of the the minis. I'm not gonna trade the micros because I have until the 18th to pass this combine, and it's just gonna take forever. One, two, three, four. Okay. So the goal for, I mean, the financial goal for today is 750. Um, I think so. I'm I'm almost at break even. We'll need 800. 40 points for one contract. 40 points for one contract. Yeah. Mine is always 10. Yeah. So it's a 4-to-1 ratio. So let's look at the 4 hour. Your favorite time frame. Um, your favorite time frame. Let's get rid of this. See this bullish. Yeah, it's your favorite time frame. This bullish order block we came down to. This is the daily bullish order block. So we just went to internal range liquidity, bullish. So now bulls are in control. See what bulls can take out these sides up here, as well as just defeat these bears. We have like this trending line here that we're inside of. So let's see if we can break out of that. Um, and you still have your, yeah, you still have those notes on there, so you're good. Also, what we took out sell side liquidity here, and that we took it out probably during the 8:30 thingy. What is this? Come down into, yep. I have to go trade entry. We took that out, so that's good. So definitely bullish on the 4 hour. This is my next arbitrage on liquidity. We've got 43 minutes left until we can get a wick here and get constant encroachment, which we may want to come back down, test again, and move up higher into these fair value gaps up in here, right? So the next 4 hour, let's say that we close, we could come down to constant encroachment of this wick and then run up into these inefficiencies up here, maybe even target this high up here. We'll see. Looking at the 1 hour, 1 hour, same thing here. Fair value gap in here. Almost came and hit that. The swing low that we took out. Okay. Yeah, we took those out from Friday and from yesterday. Good observation. Yep. Correct. 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 Um, that's why we can spend more time on the lower time frame. You know, We have this wick here, counts for this wick. So looking at the hourly since Thursday, since this low here, run up, still within this range here. Took out sell side here. So my expectation is that we continue to move up higher. Um, and this might have been like our manipulation leg going up. So one, two, three, four. Let's take a look. I do, I do. Oh, right. So where would our high be? Right. So maybe within this range here, could be. Yeah, our new range. Well, I consider all this here consolidation, and then we take this out. But I mean, we can consider this our range. Consider this here a range. Um, yeah, I haven't gone down there yet. So let me take a look. Here's our 15. Yeah, that's the core PPI, and yeah, and then we Powell speaks at 10. So hands off until he's done talking, right? So we have this inefficiency right here in a premium consolidation manipulation maybe. So we'll see what that has to offer. Uh, that's good. That's good. So one thing I like here is we took out the sell side liquidity here as well. This is a daily order block that we went inside of, and we also have this inefficiency here and this swing low here. So this looks like a smart money long. Take out the swing low in this fair value gap. So this fair value gap to me is balanced. Um, I don't want to expect anything else coming down here, given that we just balance this range. My expectation is if we come to this low here and touch it, it now becomes um, this fair value gap and efficiency is balanced. That's my expectation. Um, maybe I should just call it something different. I don't know. Okay, so yeah, yeah. I just want to get this together here. Traditionally, our data lows, so when news comes out, the high and low we should retest. So if that holds to be true, how do I get rid of all this stuff? What is this? If that holds to be true, then okay. If that holds to be true, then we should go for the lows at the 8:30 open. So, looking at our five, we have this inefficiency up here. This is our hourly inefficiency, hourly BISI or SIBI. And let's add some lipstick on this. And this here, I want to move this over here. Okay. So now I'm looking at our sessions. It's obvious that we took out our Asia, London sessions, previous day session here, took out this session. Yeah, this one here, ICT kill zone. Um, link, link to this chart. I think this is what you want. Let's see. Let's see if that works. Let me know if that works. I shared it with you. And yeah. Okay. Okay. So also we took out these lunch lows, huh? We took out these lunch lows, came in balances for everybody. Yeah, down in here. Uh, yeah, this is within the discount, so price move right back up. And we have a 5 minute fair value gap here that we're trying to balance. So this 15 and 5, both are up here. Notice how we have one, two, three, four, five candle run, almost into the strong liquidity here. Then we move down. Interesting, right? How the market moves in fives. So we have relative equal highs up here. Hmm? Yep, yep. Doo 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 doo. So you can play around with these settings. I've added the New York lunch open, which is at 12, and the New York AM session, which is at 13:30. I'm not going away. I'm not gonna change it. Timestamps. Mm-hmm. I, I went down to I went down to the opening range. Does it say SCT goes on and pivots TFO right here? Oh, interesting. Yeah, so they changed the name. That's fine. I mean, you could just use what I have here. Midnight Open, New York Open, these times. I think you have the later version. My version is a little older, but they should all work identical. They should all work the same. I think we didn't come for these sides up here. I think we didn't come up for these sides up here because we. Okay. So given that we want a higher time frame, um, to inform us what we want to do in a lower time frame, we have a potential bullish order block right here forming. Yeah, on the 15. What is this minus OB? What is this about? This here, I have it on my chart. I don't know why I have it on my chart. I'm gonna get rid of it. It was just in line. I don't know what it was for. Uh, I think we want to go for these highs up here, relative equal highs up here, as we can see here on the 1 minute. This is a 15 second I'm looking at right now. This is down close candle into, it's probably optical trader short 15. Maybe we move back up. We have a small little fair value gap here on the 1 minute. Fair value gap, fair value gap. That's what you like to see. Let's see if that remains open and if we displace above these highs here on the 1 minute. We do have this fair value gap here on the 1 minute. Yeah, on the 5. Let's see where this 4 is up here. 2245 is up here. I don't know. I don't see any. I don't see any market maker models. I mean, we could say this is stage one, run up stage two here. I don't know. I'm hands off right now until Mr. Powell speaks. Yeah, so how are you feeling right now? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Um, we're probably gonna just be moving within this range here in this fair value gap here for the next couple of minutes. I don't know. Maybe come down to this bullish for the black here on the 5. So for your bullish order blocks, do you take the last down closing candle or the first one? Okay. Okay. So at this given moment in time, I don't see anything. So let's look at this goal setting. And again, when we enter the market, we have to have we have to number one be present. Like, why are you looking at charts? You have to be present. You have to have purpose, and you have to have your process. So all the time you have to be present. You have to understand why you're doing this, which ties into your purpose. For me, my purpose is to fulfill these goals here. And to do that, it's a process to do that, right? So the process for walking away, I mean, this is a goal, and walking away is a process. So since I'm confused right now, I know that Powell's going to speak at 10 o'clock. The market is range bound. I'm going to get up and walk away for a couple of minutes, okay? And I'll be back in a few minutes, all right? Like 5 minutes. All right. I'll see you in five. Peace. Hello? Hello? Yeah, I'm here. No, no, I just want to log in. It looks like we came to this balance, this fair value gap down in here on the five. Also midnight open, bullish shorter block, and then moving up. So I think what we are looking at, and then we came for these relative highs up here, as I suspected. So that's been removed. So that's good. So accumulation, run up, stage one, run up, take out these highs. Let's see, we don't have any fair value gaps in this price leg right here, so there's no reason for us to come back down. And looking on the 1 minute, all this was here was just a bullish shorter block coming into optical trend entry on the 1 minute. One thing I did not do, I didn't chase it. So that's good, that's progress. I walked away, yeah. See, look, we come right to optical trend entry right here. Perfect. Bullish shorter block, fair value gap, and then we run up. So this here was a good trade to take. Um, this is over 50 points. 50 points exactly. So this was a good trade. Good trade. But we didn't take it. Not a big deal. Okay, okay, okay. You're back. You're back. You're back. You're back. How do you feel? What were you celebrating? Oh, yeah, yesterday. Yesterday. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Yeah. Yeah. S- Oh, really? It's all good. Um, looks like we have a retracement. We have optical trade entry right here on the 15 run up. Boom. I think we're gonna come down now, maybe in versus 1 minute, or come down to this New York opening here. Yeah. So I have here possible retracement to BISI and New York opening. So I mean, if we were to go long, it would be here, and this might be like second stage. One, two, right here. So say we got in right there. Fair value gap here. Three black over here. Yeah, good original consolidation. Run up. Boom. We'll see if this holds. So if it doesn't hold, then we might be in a downtrend because we also took out, we also came to this 15-minute change instead of delivery. That's what this is right here. Fair value gap, premium. We just hit that, and now we're coming back down. Maybe we can have an immediate rebalance here on the 15. Absolutely. So we have a five counter run on the one, two, three, four, five at the low of this bull shorter block or SPICY New York Open. So I would take a long here. Let's see, 10 stops here. Maybe we could come for the strong liquidity up here. This is a 35-point move. That's if this can pan out. No, no, no. I'm using this measuring tool right here. Powell's, the news comes out in 60 seconds. So let's see. Ooh, looks like we might stop loss might get hit. Or this might be accumulation manipulation. Let's see. Yeah, my stop loss would have been hit. So I'd have been out of that trade. And plus we're in premium anyway, so we shouldn't be looking for long positions. But although this might be right, premium discount, correct. Okay. So let's see what this is here. Oh, we kind of ride it to optical trade entry. This might be a good long position right here. And then we just have this here, manipulation, accumulation, manipulation, boom. So let's see where we can go with this one. 10 points, inverse for value gap on the 5. Yeah, that's a good point after we took out John liquidity. So yeah, I mean that's a good point. News just came out. It's 10 o'clock, so uh, I'm still hands off on the 5. One right here on the 1. This would be this order block up here, which we just blew through that already. So get rid of that. Um, Maybe we just need to wait for a quarterly shift, micro quarterly shift, Q4. Yeah, Q4. And here we came back to the original 9:30 open. I like this for a trade. I'm not gonna lie to you. 10 points is down here. Yeah, for a long position, yeah. 15 here. So we hit the 15, changed their delivery. Now we're coming back down to this 15 order block right here. Here. Okay. I want to take this for a long position. Yeah, I believe so. On the Top Step account. Ah, it won't allow me to do what I wanted to do. So, boom. Now I'm out. Yep. Up, I gotta walk away. I'll be back. All right, I'm back. Thank you. So this is what I want to see come down to this bullshit block here. That's on 15, back into his original consolidation, original. So still hands off. What is it? Get rid of this. But up here was a good short position. This went down, went tactical trade entry, retested at 50-minute change set delivery. Hello? Yeah. Sure. I think this might be our quarterly shift that we're looking for. Should have waited here. Yeah, I agree. Easier long would be more appetizing. Here on, Say that again. The lower time frame will give me a signature and price that will convince me to go with it. However, from what you're sharing with me, you have to rely on the higher time frame to, all right. So let's write that down. Let's write that down. So we need a sig help me. On the lower time frame after the higher time frame what? All right. I think we need to invest in Zoom because you're saying a lot of good things that we could incorporate in this accountability paper up here. Um, I wish this Zoom allowed this meet here would allow for recording. Just yeah, to record a video of me and see what this has to say. Essential business standard. I should have it. All right. I think I need to do something. Do, 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 do. Yeah, I hear a lot of things. Google admin. Okay. Which gap? Media rebalance. This all this here is consolidation. We're consolidating within this. And so we can expect a move out when we come into this quarterly shift right here from Q2 to Q3 into Q4. And yeah, so distribution is in Q3 and in reversal or continuation is Q4, which will start at 10:30. So we'll see what we get. You have an inverse Purvey gap here forming on the one, um, but we're still stuck within this range. So that's what this is here. This is a five. Keep talking, keep talking, keep talking. I'm serious. Oh yeah, same thing too. Same thing too. But I don't mean it in that context. Oh, sorry about that. What do you mean out of what? Out of a long position or short position? Look at this. This is not what we look for OTE. Is this not the move we wanted? I mean, either way it goes, I'm not looking too long in this position here unless on the 1 minute, if we come back down in here in this deep discount within this fair value gap, then perhaps. But this thing is going gangbusters, so um, we missed this bus. Yeah, we missed this bus. And here we are on the 15. This bullish order block here on the 15. Hello? We have a bullish order block here on the 15. Boom, which we tapped into. This is also optical trade entry of this range here. So coming for these relative equal highs up here. I missed it. We missed it. And we have this hourly fair value gap up here. So we hit this 15. We're on the 15. We're out the consolidation range on the 1 hour. We're going into this 1 hour SIBI from way over here. And then we have a 1 hour change instead of delivery right here, which we might hit our head on and continue going down lower. And then we also have these relative equal highs up here, which I thought I had marked out. It's all good. Making progress. I'm gonna close my SIBI. Oh, please. I think that's a good idea. What I do is I just add a little note here on the side, right? 1 hour Sibi. That way I know. I wanna, sorry for cutting you off. I wanna look for a short position. So go with this one. Yeah. Okay. We're in the, we're in the new quarter. 2.5. Yeah, you sent that a while ago. You sent it when? Oh no, I didn't see it. No, I didn't see that one. Why do we need an alarm? Oh, okay. Yeah, but go ahead, go ahead. Tell me the butt part. Tell me the butt part. Tell me the butt part. Look, we took out sell side here. Look, 15 second. We took out sell side, and let's see if we can get a return optical trade entry. And if we do, I'm taking this trade regardless. If we come here, I'm taking this trade. Mm. This is my setup. Nope, this is my setup. I know, but we're in a higher time frame. Point of interest. Excuse me. Look, we go right into equilibrium here. Go back up and hit that. This fair value gap was balanced. Yeah, that's why I'm looking for short, because look at this. I mean, look at this. I would have been in this trade. Equilibrium, boom. See that? This trade idea worked. I mean, it does because we're in a higher time frame point of interest. I just had my entry too high. I should have taken it at the equilibrium. And if we look here, boom, boom, 7 point stop loss. See, I could have gone in here. And that was one of the things, one of my rules is you can get in as early as equilibrium if the swing high is within 10 points. So what we can do now is look for a reversal, right? That's down here. So it looks like we're not going to get that. I don't see it. I don't. This one? Oh, this inverse right here? Yeah. And you notice where we get a quarterly shift, right? From Q3 to Q4. Q4 is for reversal, like I was telling Richie earlier. That's why I was looking for a reversal or a short position up here. This is perfect. Will I go long here? Probably not, because we have this inverse. But we have a minute left, 90 seconds left. Let's see if we can come back up here. Bias respect this fair value gap right here. And then we have this 15-minute change of state delivery or 15-minute bullish short of block. let's see if that gets rejected or violated. So we'll see. A lot. But no, you can't use the 15 second. You can't use the fifth. Look, no, I don't remember. Yeah, I mean that's why I have this here. Relative equal highs up here. I have all of this. It's all here. Buy side here. Relative equal highs up here. Constant encroachment of the CB on the hourly. We have a quarterly shift here. Then we drill down to the 15 second. And I told you I want to see this as sell side liquidity get taken, which it did. Run up, fair value gap, boom, right at the constant encroachment of that CB. But I don't know if it's because I'm moving too fast. You don't want to pull the trigger.